Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to take user inputs in Java. Control N, new file, save it as Control S, say user input, name of the file is user input dot java. Okay, now write class same name as the file name, user input, main class name. Only one class is there, which is the main class. So username, user input is the class name, is the same as the program name. Now write public static void main, and then string args or a, whatever. Left versus right. Now to take user input directly from the user, I am not saying about command line arguments. User input, user will provide during execution the inputs. We can use several classes like buffer data class, scanner class, but first I will discuss scanner class. Scanner class. You can see S is capital symbols. It is a class. Say it is an object. New scanner. System.in. So here you can see that we have created an object, which is the name of the object is in of this scanner class, and new is the operator to create object. So the syntax of creating object is being followed here. So name of the class, then object name, then new operator, then the constructor, and in the argument we will pass system.in. System is the class. System.in is for taking in. System.out to take. We have already used system.out.println to take for printing. System.out.println, and system.out is for outputs. Here you can see, okay, I've created scanner class. Now I want to take a string argument. String, say str string, and str is string, and it is initialized as in.next. Next is used to take string. So you can see that I have used the object in. And in scanner class there is a method. So we have already mentioned that using object we can access the variable and methods of a class. So the next method of scanner class can be accessed by creating object in. Next we want to take, or we want to print whatever the user has. System.println, whatever user has given input, println. You may also write println and print. Difference is that println means it, the new thing, the whatever is being printed will be printed in the next line, ln for next line. And if we simply use print only, the printed statement will be on the same line of the previous statement. You have entered, say str. Okay, give a space. Next the user want to take integer input. To take integer input, there is a method known as nextInt. So first write this way: int dot nextInt. Okay, this is used to take integer input. Now I want to store the integer input into a variable int a. Say I want to store the integer input given by the user in variable a. So a will be equal to int dot nextInt, and the data type, I have already said that Java is strongly typed language. So every variable str, every variable should be declared with data type. Next, say we want to print it again. I'm copying it. C, Control V. We have entered A. Next, I want to take say float. So to take float, I will use next float, and we have to store it in a variable, say b, but b should be declared, it is say float. Now print it again. You have entered B. Now let's check what will happen after executing it. But before changing any program, we have to compile it before so that rather since the program has been changed, we have to first compile it. Java C space, the name of the file is user input dot java. User input, just tab. Okay. So Java. Yes. There you can see that cannot find symbols scanner class, because scanner class is not there. So you have to import it. Import java dot util dot scanner. Every program you will write is inside java.lang package. Java.lang.object. This this java.lang.object is a repository of every program we will write. But you can see that scanner is not inside java.lang.object. It is outside the repository. That is where we are writing the program. It is outside the folder, because we don't understand right now. We don't have any idea about package. So think it as a repository, as a folder. Package as a folder. Package is actually nothing but a folder. So scanner is outside. Sorry. Scanner is outside the java.lang.object package. Okay. So now Control save and execute it. Before that, compile it. Some error int a in next line. You can see that a is already defined, so make it AR. That was the error. So I can compile it. Now it is fine. Now we have to execute it. Java space user input, class will not be there. So you have to enter the string. So whatever it is, it will be string. You can also write 100 also. You have entered 100. It is treated as string. Next it is integer 12. You have entered 12. If you write hello, then you will show, it will show error, because it is taking integer only. So in this way you can give integer directly. Next you have to give float. Next float. So you may write 12 or 12.45. It's 12.45. In the next video, we will discuss about access modifiers. Thank you for watching the video.